Om Shanti. Good morning to all divine sisters and brothers. Today we'll be focusing on last wish and parting gift of a father to his son. A Seth was having abundant wealth, bungalow, car, factory, huge bank balance, what not. अपर्याप्त संपत्ति था. At the age of 18, he left his village with just 200 rupees given by his father to search for a new life in the city. The boy was very honest, dedicated, hardworking, sincere, and God-loving. By best using all his good qualities gifted by God, he was very successful in his life. He had only one son. When he grew old, called his son and said, "My dear son, when I will die, just remember to give me this patella socks, a pair of socks, put in my legs." Son was shocked, could not understand the logic. He could not believe his eyes. Father did lot of activities, factory है, bungalow है, bank balance है, what not, during his lifetime. But he wants to carry with him a pair of socks, old socks, patella socks. What is the secret logic behind it? So he could not discuss this. That was the last wish of the father. He thought, anyhow, I have to fulfill the last wish of my father, but still I am confused why my father wants to carry with him these two patella socks. Days passed and last time came. His father left his body, and all family members, relatives, neighbors, near and dear ones gathered for last rites. The son told, the last wish of my father is to give him two socks. I want to put two socks in his legs. So everybody was shocked. What is this? Nobody could believe it. That could be the last wish of a great man, a great Seth. So the son told, I have to, being the only son of my father, I have to fulfill his last wish. But nobody agreed. Neighbors opposed, relatives also opposed, and finally Pandit of the village was called, and he also told that जो इंसान जाते टाइम साथ में कुछ भी नहीं ला सकता है और उसको कुछ भी दिया नहीं जा सकता है. तो son was very upset. He wanted to fulfill his last wish of the father, and he told, if I cannot fulfill my father's wish, last wish, what is the use of my living in this world? He was totally upset. At this moment, one old man, good friend of his father, approached with a letter, covering letter. He handed over the cover to his son, and the son saw the cover. इसमें लिखा है लास्ट विश एंड पार्टिंग गिफ्ट ऑफ ए फादर टू हिज सन. He opened the envelope and he saw some message written there by his father in his own handwriting. This message was like this: बेटा देखा, जीवन यात्रा का अंतिम समय में एक फटेला शख्स भी नहीं ले जा सकते. धन दौलत, बैंक बैलेंस, महल, फैक्ट्री सब यहाँ ही रह जाएगा. इंसान अंधा होकर सारा जिंदगी धन कमाने में बिता देता है. जब थक जाता है, समय चला जाता है, शरीर बूढ़ा हो जाता है, तब हॉस्पिटल, हेल्थ केयर में सब कुछ चला जाता है. लास्ट में खाली हाथ में जाता है. रोते रोते, पश्चाताप करते करते खाली हाथ इस दुनिया से चला जाता है. इसलिए बेटा ध्यान रखना, पिता का ये पार्टिंग गिफ्ट है। धन कमाने वक्त कभी भी लालच में आकर गलत काम नहीं करना। सच्चाई और ईमानदारी से हर कर्म करते रहना। गरीबों को उदार दिल से मदद करना। अगर कोई मजबूरी से लौटा नहीं पाता तो माफ़ कर देना। किसी को दुख मत देना, जो देते हैं दुगुना वापस आता है। जीवन में जो चाहिए वो पहले दूसरों को देना, सुख शांति खुशी आनंद। धन दौलत की अहंकार अभिमान में कभी नहीं आना। जो कुछ तुम्हारे पास है वो ईश्वर प्रदत्त है, ट्रस्टी बनकर संभालना। याद रखना, सिर्फ कर्म फल और दूसरों का दुआएं साथ में जाता है। इसलिए श्रेष्ठ कर्म पुण्य कर्म द्वारा दुआएं जमा करना। किसी का अमंगल चिंता में नहीं लाना। सबका कल्याण सोचना। ध्यान रखना, सभी ईश्वर का संतान है, क्रिएशन है। ईश्वर तब खुशी होते हैं जब कोई उनका क्रिएशन को, सृष्टि को मदद करता, पालन करता, सहयोग करता, स्नेह और प्यार देता है। पिता का इस अंतिम इच्छा को पार्टिंग गिफ्ट समझकर संभाल कर रखना। आने वाला पीढ़ी को भी बता देना। सदा खुशी रहना और खुशी बांटते रहना। मेरा दोस्त का ध्यान जरूर रखना। If you liked it, just encourage with your support. Thank you very much. God bless you for happy life. Om Shanti.